How to update Wolfbox Dashcam's firmware. Press Setting and confirm Format SD. Remove SD card. Put SD card into card reader. Connect your card reader with computer. Open Wolfbox website and click Firmware. Find your product and download corresponding Dashcam firmware document. Unzip the firmware you just download. Copy file and paste it on card reader device. Disconnect the card reader from computer. Power off Dashcam and put SD card on it. Power on Dashcam. Confirm update and wait. Update successfully. Press Setting and confirm Format SD. Select About and check the version.